Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best vitamin C powder that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Alfa Vitamins Super Multivitamin C Powder. The Alfa Vitamin C Powder offers an easy, effective, and safe way of preventing fatigue and boosting your energy. With this vitamin C powder, you will remain energized and strong the entire day. Furthermore, it can obtain an orange-flavored drink quickly when you dilute it with cold water. It is blended from 24 nutrients, and it is free of preservatives, flavors, and artificial colors. This makes it a top-quality vitamin C powder. Apart from boosting your energy, it also ensures a better health condition. The minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins blend help one to remain focused. This means that it promotes the functioning of the brain, supports the digestive and immune health. Moreover, it is easy to prepare. It takes very few minutes to prepare richly flavored, energy-boosting, and delicious drinks. You only need to rip open the powder packet and empty it in a glass. Next, fill it with 8 ounces or 6 ounces of juice or water, then dilute and enjoy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Naturals 100% Vitamin C Powder. The Best Naturals Vitamin C Powder. To begin with, it supports your immunity, heart, and circulatory health. In the same way, it supports eye health. Another important feature of this powder is that it offers antioxidant protection. This is because it is synergistically formulated using a full-spectrum berry blend. Most importantly, it is free of herbicides, solvents, and pesticides. The independent third-party lab also has verified that it is free of allergens. This product is made in accordance with GMP. Good manufacturing practices are among the world's highest standards. To conclude, it weighs 1 lb. Or 454 grams. At number 3, we have the Micro-Ingredients Pure Vitamin C Powder. This vitamin C powder is soluble in water. Being rich in antioxidants improves the immunity and energy of an individual. This is because it synthesizes collagen. Also, it is useful in the treatment of scurvy and the common cold. Further, it features no additives, preservatives, irradiation, gluten, and artificial colors. For proper measurement, a scoop is included. You can take it every day between or with meals. Simply add it to a smoothie or shake and have nutritious and dense food. On the other hand, if you love powder, you can take it naturally while in powder form. This means that it will have quick absorption, higher concentration, and it will be easier on your stomach. On top of that, it weighs 1 kilogram or 35 ounces. At number 2, we have the Naturello Vitamin C Supplement. Naturello Vitamin C Powder is important to the body. This is because it produces collagen, which helps to reduce aging signs and wrinkles. Then again, it stimulates the production of antibodies to boost immunity. When the immunity is boosted, it reduces the duration and severity of cold symptoms. Equally important, it facilitates the growth of new tissues to heal fresh wounds faster. Vitamin C powder also protects the eye cells, reduces the rate of cell decay, and supports muscular health. The product has dimensions measuring 2.3 by 2.3 by 4.4 inches. In like manner, its weight is 3.84 ounces. Remarkably, it is derived from fruits like acerola cherries. Having added citrus bioflavonoids obtained from lemon and organic orange, the rate of absorption of vitamin C is increased. Also, vitamin C is gradually released into the body over time. As a result, the body absorbs more of the vitamin C. Being natural and plant-based, it is GMO-free. In the same way, it has no soy, yeast, gluten, caffeine, nuts, dairy, preservatives, coloring, or flavoring. And finally at number 1, we have the NutricHamps Premium Vitamin C Supplement. When searching for quality vitamin C, consider NutrIChamps vitamin C powder. First and foremost, it is natural and non-GMO. Uniquely, it comes in capsule form. This makes it easy to swallow. So, you will not have to use sugary juices with it. Further, it is loaded with citrus and elderberry and rosehips. It also provides antioxidants to better your health. Having collagen boosts the health of the nails, hair, skin, connective tissues, and joints. Also, it helps reduce aging signs. Since our bodies do not store collagen, it is important to take the right dose of vitamin C finally. The bioflavonoids help to increase the rate of absorption. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.